Okay, removing more trim to get stereo installation access. This little centerpiece in the center console at the floor, I removed the tool kit, which there's a video down below for that. You need 3 Torx screws to come out of this little trim piece. And as you can see, it was mated in there with that little finger going into that hole. And then it's just got push tabs, snap tabs right there around the outside. So I'm just going to pull this out gently, hopefully. Probably shouldn't do it with one hand. I don't want to break anything, but let me get on the other side. See if I can get this side coming. This one's got the 2 screws. Ooh, what the hell is that thing? I think it was a stink bug. So I took the 2 screws out, as you can see, and then this thing should come out as well. There we go. I don't want to break nothing. Oh, this one's slightly attached to this. Let's see what's going on here. Okay, that's okay. That's another little separate panel. Interesting. Well, we got most of it out here. We're gonna get one last tug on this. Okay, there we go. Okay, so that panel is interlocked there, as you can see. The whole thing popped out with that center tabby thing right there. And we got access to our wires better here. Okay, so that's your little center console piece. You can see the back side of this. You don't have to undo that upper piece there. It comes with it. Okay, hope that helps. There'll be other little videos to a bunch of this stuff in my videos and my Sprinter tips and fixes. Talk to you later.